Guys, welcome back again. So we've been asked to evaluate these two problems here. Um, we have to integrate x multiplied by the natural log of x dx and x squared multiplied by the natural log of x dx. Again, if you look at this problem here, we have two terms. We have x being multiplied by another term, which is natural log of x. So what should first come into your mind is differentiation by parts. So let's work on this problem first before we tackle that. So with this problem, let me rewrite the problem here. And let me write my general formula for differentiation by parts, which is u multiplied by v minus the natural log of v du. So I need to assign my u and assign my dv, but I know I assign u to a variable that I can easily differentiate. And I assign my dv to a variable that I can easily integrate. So here there's a clue. Do you actually know how to integrate natural log x? I don't think most people do because it's really hard. I myself, I don't know how to integrate natural log x, but I know how to differentiate it. Natural log is it's a special function, so we should know how to do that. So I know I can easily integrate x. Therefore, I will let my u be equal to natural log of x, and my du, if you differentiate natural log x, you get 1 over x dx. I will let my dv to be equal to x dx. Then if I do integrate this guy, I get v to be equal to s squared divided by 2. Now, the rule says we multiply u by v, so we do multiply our u by our v. So we have, let me readjust this. So we have natural log of x multiplied by s squared divided by 2 minus, we have the integral sign, we bring it, then we multiply our du by v. So we have this guy is 1 over x multiplied by s squared over 2 dx. Let's rearrange it. Then we have our s here, we have x here, we have s squared here, so x will cancel s squared. So this s here will cancel one of these x's. So we will have natural log of x multiplied by s squared over 2 minus the integral. We have 1 over 2 here, so we can factor it through the integral sign. That is something that you can do. And we have only one of the x's left. And we have our dx. So this part of the problem is solved because we do not have any integral sign. So it's solved. We are left with only this part. And we know how to integrate this guy. We know this guy here, which is that will be equal to s squared over 2 plus c. So we just have to put this guy here, right there. But remember, we have our half in front. So we will have natural log of x multiplied by s squared over 2 minus 1 over 2. Then we multiply that one by this guy here, which is s squared. Oh, my bad. So as I was saying, we bring this guy down here, then we multiply this guy by the substitute of that, which is 1 over 2 here, and we multiply by s squared divided by plus c. So at this point, we actually done with the problem. The only thing left is the algebra. I have s squared over 2 here, I have s squared over 2 here, so I now can bring that one up. So I have s squared over 2 to bracket natural log of x minus 1 over 2 plus c. So boom, we're done. We've actually solved this problem using integration by parts. So if we have any comments, just comment on the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video where we tackle this problem.